In an ideal world, we want you to bring your baby to the dental practice so they can get familiar with the surroundings and avoid what's happening now. The actual mental health cost to the child is probably higher than the physical cost to us and the government. We're all born with teeth, and nothing is better in the mouth than the teeth you were born with. We need to look after them. Some have grooves in them that we call fissures, and these can cause decay if food's stuck there. So the best way to look after your teeth is to brush them twice a day for 2 minutes, once in the morning and last thing at night before your child goes to bed. Supervise them by scrubbing the back teeth and encourage your child to swish the toothpaste around their mouth. Remember to spit out, not to rinse, as the fluoride helps protect the tooth longer. If advised, we can protect the adult teeth further by sealing in these grooves, but now we tend to think that it's just effective to have fluoride applied to them regularly. An ideal toothpaste would be a bit more sticky on the tooth surface and then have the ability to release the fluoride for a little bit longer. Well, I think we now have that toothpaste, and this is it. So we're all familiar with this now. If we want to know about a product or we want to buy it, just go online. But rather than ask the company, I asked some independent experts in their field, and this is what they had to say.
What do you think of the toothpaste?
Good.
How many out of 10?
No.
10? Oh, sweet. Zara, your favourite?
Yeah.
Never has it been more important to look after our health. As we all know, prevention's better than cure. And please download the app. It helps you and your children. Press Squeeze Me on the home page to see why we say, to save a life, share teeth for life.